Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another class of Superior Quest. Now, the quest is Superior Quest. I hope you like the name. Let us continue our journey with the questions of SSB Odisha 2021 physics paper for lectureship in non-government college. Okay, question number one. A one-dimensional coupled oscillator consists of two identical masses connected to three identical strings. The free ends of the springs are fixed to two parallel walls. It can move on a frictionless horizontal surface. Which of the following statement is true about the motion of the coupled oscillator if it is in normal mode? A. All particles of the oscillator are oscillating sinusoidally with frequency of mode. B. All parts of oscillator are oscillating with a linear combination of frequencies of the normal modes. C. One mass oscillates with frequency of one mode while other mass oscillates with frequency of other mode. D. Period of oscillation is common period of two modes. Now let us quickly go to the second question. Three vectors A, B, C are defined as A is equal to xi cap minus yj cap plus zk cap. B is equal to xi cap plus yj cap minus 2zk cap. And C is equal to xi cap minus yj cap plus k cap. Which of the following statement is true? A. A and B both may represent a magnetic field. B. B and C both may represent a magnetic field. C. A and C both may represent a magnetic field. D. A, B, C all may represent a magnetic field. Now, question number 3. A particle of mass m is equal to 0.1 kg is initially motionless on a frictionless surface. At time t is equal to 0, an impulse is imparted to block and it starts moving on the surface while a uniform acceleration a is equal to 10 meter per second square. uh, what is the action s in joule second of the particle at time t is equal to 1 second? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Question number 4. A particle mass m and angular momentum L is moving with attractive potential UR is equal to minus alpha by r square, while alpha is a positive constant of appropriate dimension. It may reach the center of the force due to the potential UR if option A alpha is less than minus L square by 2m, B. Alpha is equal to minus L square by 2m. C. Alpha is greater than minus L square by 2m. D. Alpha is less than minus L square by m. Now, the fifth question. At time t, two electric charges are at distance r. The distance between them is r at time t prime. Sorry, r prime at time t prime. The equations of motion allow a series of similar paths. If t prime by t is equal to r prime by r to the power beta, then beta is equal to option A half, option B 1, option C 3 by 2 and option D 2. Now, question number 6. The components of second rank tensor sigma ij is equal to psi delta ij plus c into dou I bi plus dou j bi plus dou I vj where C is a constant, psi is the scalar field, and Vi for I is equal to 1 to 3 are components of divergence free vector field V. The value of dou I sigma is option A, dou I psi plus C, dou I dou J Vi, B, dou I psi C, dou I psi plus 2C, dou I dou J Vi, D, C, dou I dou J Vi. Now let us quickly go to the next question. Question number 7. If Pnx is the Legendre polynomial of degree n, then d by dx Pnx at x is equal to 1 is equal to option A, n into n plus 1, option B, n into n plus 1 by 2, option C, n into n plus 1 by 4, option D, n into n plus 1 by n factorial. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 says, if Hnx is Hermite polynomial of order n, then which of the following relation is correct? Option A, Hnx mod is greater than equal to Hnix by 2. Option B, Hnx is greater than equal to Hnix. Option C, Hnx is less than equal to Hnix by 2. Option D, this question, option is slightly wrong. The option A was Hnx is less than equal to Hnix only, not by 2. Okay, next. Question number 9. The value of integral I is equal to integral over minus x squared plus y squared dx dy is option A pi, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D pi by root 2. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. Hope you will enjoy. Uh, we'll see in the next video the rest of the questions. Okay. Bye. Take care.